Product show.
Check how many wires are in your switch.
Carrying signal sequence. First, 433 RF. Second, Wi-Fi. Multi-commutator acceptation. Must be have neutral wire. Use it with a 433 RF remote control.
Soft lighting. It won't disturb the child's rest. Let you find it accurately in the dark. Unique logo. One touch switch icon corresponds to one light. Don't worry about turning off the wrong light.
Harry. Open the smart light and device. Long press the button until the Wi-Fi icon flashes. Then start pairing.
Alexa, turn on living room light 1.
Okay.
Alexa, turn on living room light 2.
Okay.
Alexa, turn off all living room lights.
Okay.
Alexa, turn on all living room lights after 9 seconds.
Okay.